Hey, good morning, guys. What's up? It's April 30. It's my birthday. I'm off today. And I just came from Big Timber Station. I had to drop off my son. And I've always passed this. That is, what's this road? Kreutzer? No, it's not Kreutzer. Anyways, it's close to Big Timber. But I saw this place. It's a parking spot. And I wanna, yeah, I'm in Gilbert right now. I wanna tap that wall, yeah, that white wall, the water well. Yeah, we'll see. And then I've got with me my stuff here. All right, we're gonna rip soon, so hopefully I'll see some nice things there. I don't know if there's one. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll find out. And just a few trees right there. Okay. All right, guys. Let's go home. I want to get started.
Hey, on the dashboard, I can see that your heart is breaking. I wish I could fast forward, take all of your pain and erase it.